Okay, two more terms I just want to highlight, and that's academic voice and common knowledge. They're both on your review sheet. First of all, academic voice, write this down, is your own writing style. So it's your own way in which you write, and you all have different writing styles. It's your own writing style using academic terminology or words, okay? So I expect you to not include slang, not include casual conversational words, but rather academic words. So it has that academic tone. So it's your own writing style with academic words, okay? That's academic voice. Now the next thing I want to help you understand is this term common knowledge, okay? When you are writing, you're going to, and I hope you all have done what I said, which is choose a topic that is not very familiar with you, because this will help you when it comes to common knowledge. Some of you will say, well, I know a lot about this, if you chose something that was familiar to you. I know a lot about this, so I'm just writing about it. You can't do that with this paper, okay? Everything that is not common knowledge must have a source. Everything that is not common knowledge must have a source. So what is common knowledge? Here's what it is. It is information that for one audience needs a source, but for your audience doesn't need a source. Okay? I'm going to help you understand that, but let me explain it again. Common knowledge is information that for one audience it would need a source, but for another audience, your particular audience you're writing to, it doesn't. So let me give you an example. If I went over to Walmart and I asked 20 different people who walked by me, who's the President of the United States, they would all say who it is. They would know. It would not be a mystery. So if I was going to include the President of the United States in my paper, it's common knowledge. People inside of my audience where I'm writing know this answer. However, if I asked them who is the Prime Minister of Canada, no one would know. But I'm Canadian, and if I took this whole question up to Canada, and I went to the Walmart up in Canada and asked 20 people walking by, who is the Prime Minister of Canada, they would all know. And then I say, who is the President of the United States, about half of them would know. So here's my illustration for you, okay? When you are thinking about common knowledge, you have to think about your audience, okay? Would they all know this information? If so, I don't need a source. If not, I've got to go out and find a source that will tell me what it is, okay? So that's common knowledge.